Hello, this is Dr. Hakan Satıroğlu. I'm doing some data analytics weeks and some tutorial. This kind of lecture. And this week is I'm going to extend the Week2 notes with the exploratory analysis by using some Qlik backend arrangement. And I would like to finish this one in like 40 minutes. And I would like to do some software program. I would like to use Qlik. And Qlik is one of the alternative of other softwares to display and report your data. And also, Qlik has got some extra features as well. Obviously, they are working on their software and improving themselves. In a way, why I choose Qlik, because they are giving some free application 1 month, so it is easy for me to access that. So once you have that link and registration, you will get this kind of login screen, and you are gonna log in. Okay. So data exploratory analysis is on the top of outliers, missing data, normality, standardization. So after you embrace your own data, you collect data, and you understand the biases you generated in data, then you can come and you can report it. Otherwise, you can still report your data somehow, but if you don't follow, if you don't embrace it, so it's going to be ad hoc. So you may mislead your participant or report reader in a way. So in terms of Qlik, I'm going to follow for this specific tutorial. It is like Qlik has got like interactive dashboard to associate exploration and action. So in a way, I'm going to practice in a second with you, but I would like to go a little bit on my slides. And I use some of the screen slides from the Simon and Brock lecture notes, and they have such slightly different application. Probably they have their desktop application, but I am using my, as you can see, I'm using my web browser application. Okay. So when you click Home or Trade, let's start Trade. This software is offering us ML experiment, automation, application, data flow, and it's really advanced follow-up you can learn from here. We are going to focus on only applications. Then you click Application. So it's creating application name. It's asking to name the application. However, before that one, I need to say each application has got data or set of data. Maybe if you are familiar with data analytics, tables, more than one table or one table specifically, plus sheets. That sheets are kind of reporting your the bar charts, pie charts, and graphics to your boss. These are the charts, like a small file you are reporting, you are printing out and giving your boss. But you don't need to repeat because it is online and digital and it's updating itself. It's a live. So if your survey or Qlik application is linked to your survey, IT server, then your data is going to be like live. So in that sense, even Qlik is giving option to reach big data. Not only your server, also you can reach some of the outer application, but it's about your security, about your server restrictions. It's up to your analysis and your organizational context. After naming this your application, you can use it's automatically generating as a personal item here. but you can later on add that one into a network. You can share with your colleagues. You can report. You can save it to send it later on to your boss. In a way, application is not only personal. You can share that one with people, other people as well in your organization. Okay, let's go back to our slide, and I'm going to come back this self, okay, this practice a little bit later on. So, so if you think that Qlik is like in the place, how you are going to place that Qlik in enterprise, how this is like this is the software that's helping you to make a decision, and it's included some predictions as well. I'm not going to use follow-up that predictions here because I'm going to look at some textbook follow-up in my lectures, but it's included as well. Just I'm going to look at how interactive reporting system they have to understand, to show you how you can apply in your real professional life. So some of the associative logic, and so kind of like you select one of the option here, one of the graphic bar chart, and it is just updating everything on the screen. Okay, so this is the interactive way. So you can also put some alerts and AI guidance, help users move from monitoring to response as well. So this is the kind of like a overall understanding. So this is the entrance from Simons and Brock, both of them using same application. And when you click that, you would create a new application name. So as you can see, their screen is a bit different than mine, but similar things. And so when you created your application, please don't forget, one application can have more than one data set or more than one page of report presentation. So we call them sheets, okay? So that's you can share with your colleague. Also, Simon made some kind of quadrant to explain extensively. You can refer his notes. And also opening with application, proceed with following screen. At this stage, you will still change application name within edit pen or on the top right. So let's go back to my screen. So my applications, I downloaded from tutorial from the Qlik's website. So this is application, and if I open that one, I will see the sheets and database. So I'm going to hover on the right, and as you can see, this is application as well. This is application, and as you can see, this application, yeah, all of them application. If it says here database, it is totally different. Okay. So when you want to change your application name, my web browser, you need to go and manage and edit details. A bit different, but still that pen is there. Okay, so let's open that one. Then we will come back in a second, that one. I don't have any intention to change the application name at the moment. So when we open the application, as you can see, this is the Brock's tutorial. And he brought the retailer numbers. Retailers are here, and regions are here. This data is belong to one of the company from Turkey, and category, product category, and second product category, product brands, and some promotions. So as much as you select, or as small as you select, that screen is going to update itself. Okay, let's practice that one in a real application. Okay, this is another report. When I click Germany, you will see it's going to select it out here. Okay. So this is filtering. So only German sales or German profit you will see here, okay, as a region. Or Japan. Also, you can pick them as a like multiply selection. So as you can see, this is the display. This is the exploratory dashboard, an interactive dashboard, I can say. So he made kind of like text box, and you can put here the code, retail codes. Each retail has got is their own number, and you can like filter that one. Also, you can select multiply option here presented in his presentation, similar to mine. And another one is like product categories are here, and you can select them, and you can choose multiply selection on different sections. So still that is gonna work. And there's a one navigation button on the right top arrow, as you can see. Let's go and see my screen. Okay, here you go, this section. If you click that one, as you can see, this is another report. Okay, another report. And if we want to edit this report, you just need to click edit, and you need to add some bar chart, or funnel chart. Okay, that's what you need to drag and drop here, and it's gonna start to work. As you can see, there is no space here. I suggest you to open another one, but it's up to you. You can maybe fit somewhere here, but it is like ready-made report for me as well. So I don't want to mess up now. So as soon as I click edit sheet, and it's coming to another one, I mean the main point. Then if you navigate one more, so as you can see, they design more than one sheets, and you can see, you can actively, you don't need to print that one. You can simply bookmark and share with your boss. Okay, so your boss is gonna see on his screen, on her screen, your report automatically. So so this is the style, and this is the report style is important. You need to improve yourself, but it is everything is underneath here. You can add up with edit section. Okay, you can add up like sales, and okay, let's put that one, for example, one here, bar chart. Okay, add dimension, city, add city here. So value, you need to add value as well. Okay, sorry, this should be value. So let's say sales, and each city, and you will see the sales figures for it. Margin. You can add as many as moved. Okay. So this is not my tutorial section how to make this graphs or bar chart. So I don't want to mess up this default one. Okay. So let's go back and complete our slides. And just I think I'm going to look at some kind of data section in a second. Then it's going to finish shortly my tutorial. And also this is, it wasn't like sportwear. This is sportwear section. If you click sportwear in the graph, everything is sorted according to category name. Okay, so you don't need to select from the bigger section, like you don't need to select Germany. You can go and select only category of the product, and all Japan, Nordic, German sales in a way in this graphic. Okay, together specifically for sports wear. Yeah, then as soon as you filter, category names are appearing at the top. I earlier showed that one for you. Also bookmark you can use and send your boss. And this is the another slide similar to graph master item. Oh yeah, master items I need to mention because I included that one here. Okay, let's go back. Master items are here. What does it mean, master items? Let me remove them, because I added them earlier. You may want to see. All right, I think I messed up. Okay, because I used that one earlier. Anyway, so let's take that one, this one, and right click and add to master item. As soon as you add that one there, and it's gonna add, then you see that one is appear down here. Then it means this is a master item, and you can use that one at any sheet you wish to. So how? Just drag and drop here. Probably that one doesn't work because delete, drag and drop. So that figure appear here. So this is the master item. So maybe you can set kind of master setting because you may need to rush and you may need to make it really quick. So therefore you can use this kind of master items. Also, don't forget, this is like a bookmark you can save and you can send it to your managers or your colleague about your report. Okay. So this is the master items. You can select as one of the figure or bar chart or anything pie chart. You can set as a master item, and you can use that one master item at any point. Okay. So now I would like to go a little bit data. So each table, each rectangle is like kind of like table, and table name is at the top, product, order detail, category, and order header. And fields are that each line are the fields, and you need to link them. Okay. However, Qlik has got some kind of like helpful point because it is doing a little bit like automatic way. Automatic way. Okay, how? Okay, let's go and practice together. Okay, when you click here in the sheet, you will see Data Manager. And these tables, actually, I made it, that one's a bit practice a bit earlier teaching it. All of them were separated. These are each of them is one table. Order details, supplier details, category, product categories, offices. If you want to add something manually here, any table, just you need to go here and add data, files, and manual entry. You can name one table and you can add fields one by one. And yes, literally you can upload one document, one data from your computer. Also, you can add data. Okay, how you are going to upload from your computer file and from the cloud or from okay, let's go. Yeah, this is like from the cloud you can upload. Also, you can upload from your computer as well. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that button I didn't see. Okay. So your data is here, so you can pick and you can upload. Okay. So click new and upload. That's all. So you can upload any data you want, as many as you want. Okay. So when you click that one, so when I press that one on my Qlik mouse, so as you can see, some of the green, it is in order. That one is AI machine learning is picking the column, suitable column, and it is offering me which tables could be more reliable and more related with each other. So I don't want to work on it. So this is like all of them. I can press apply all, and it's gonna make automatically everything. Okay. Let's do that one because I missed to say something here. When you press, it is let's create it manually. Okay. When I create it manually, it's saying, can you see, employee office, one of the link ball table. So it is here. So You may, so this link is like a key. If anyone work on Access, in Microsoft Access, you may see like unique ID, unique key. So this is similar, like, the Qlik is finding that unique key codes and more suitable each other, and it is linking for you if you press that one or apply. However, if you want to do like manual, so what you need to do is you need to click here one more time and custom association, because you may think or you may wish to link different columns as a key elements. Why not? Maybe you are going to try, or maybe we invented something. Okay, maybe system didn't catch up, so you may need to use that link. You may need to link that key columns manually with this way, custom association. Okay, I'm going to use the itself automatically. It's done all of them. Now, then let's go down here, model viewer, and we will see whether model is linked to each other or not. Yeah, all of them each other, and job is done. So similarly, one, and as I mentioned, model you can make manual entry here. Also, you can add something like from your computer. Okay, I mentioned that one hovering. They call that one fidget. I call fidget spinner. So you can hop and can click and drag and drop on other one automatically. Okay, this is another presentation, and it is showing that link is created, and you can make that category linkage with manually. Okay, then this screen is already have drop table editable area for report. Let's extend this. We will see table is extended. Oh yeah. So this is, I mentioned that one. If the item is created as a master, you can use that master item at any sheet you can use. Don't forget, one application can have more than one data set as well as more than one sheet. That sheets are just only reports, interactive reports, and you can share your reports with your colleague and your boss. Okay, you can save them as a bookmark at any filter point. Okay, this is interactive, and when you start to use, you are going to start to explore more. So it's kind of like static reporting for me to active analytics, and also predictions exist as well. Forecasting, you can forecast all your, for example, in Japan, one specific one specific product at one specific sales retail point, how many is going to sell? Just Qlik is calculating that one. So literally, I'm going to teach you how to make a prediction or forecasting for one specific item. But like if you're really advanced, like software, this software is doing for you. Also, it has got some machine learning as well. Okay, so the forecasting is a bit different subject, and you need to learn before going in depth. Before going in depth with this kind of software, I think you need to learn the essentials of this forecasting. Yeah, otherwise you may struggle to keep up. So so you need to understand how to read that figure. Obviously, if you are working in one of the organization in 5 years, 10 years, then probably this graph is going to speak to you really quickly, because you know the product, you know the area, you know the brands, product categories. Okay. Yes. Now I think I've concluded my tutorial. I have some extra notes are here as well. In your convenience, you can learn, you can read.